First look and hands-on of iPhone 14 Pro Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case for iPhone 14 Pro is a transparent case that's available in 4 variations: crystal clear, matte black, navy blue, and red. The clear design allows you to see your iPhone while keeping it protected. The material is extremely grippy, ensuring your phone doesn't slide out of your hands when using it. And with all this protection, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case for iPhone 14 Pro is compatible with wireless charging, so you'll only need to remove the case to clean it once in a while. Not only is this case understated, but it also is compatible with wireless charging, has an anti-yellowing coating, and provides plenty of grip so it doesn't slide out of your hands. While the iPhone 14 Pro might be pretty tough, it's still a good idea to protect it, and that's exactly what the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case does. Weighing a mere 0.035 ounces, the case barely adds anything to the weight of the iPhone, yet it will stop your phone's edges and back from cracking, getting scratched, or breaking. The corner bumpers are reinforced with air cushion technology, taking the brunt of any impact so your phone doesn't. Fancy designs are great, but when the iPhone 14 Pro is a masterpiece in its own right, it's only fair to give it its place on the stand by highlighting its design. The button covers don't protrude too much and the protective bumpers are only visible from the back of the case. However, there's enough pronunciation to be able to distinguish the buttons without looking, as well as generously sized cutouts for the silent/ring button and lightning port. If you're searching for an iPhone 14 Pro case that won't let you down, it's going to be hard to find something that matches the Spigen Ultra Hybrid in terms of value and lasting protection. This durable case is lightweight, strong, offers wireless charging, and provides the right type of surface to ensure your phone doesn't slip. It might not scream sleek as other alternatives do, but it will definitely stand the test of time.